responding to changes in passenger volume or unexpected delays. AI had the potential to revolutionize the way the subway operated, making it more efficient, reliable, and dare I say, enjoyable.
But it wasn't just about fancy algorithms. The real magic happened when we started combining AI with human expertise. Think of it like this. AI is the brains, providing insights and recommendations. But it's the human operators, the conductors, the engineers who are the heart and soul of the system, using their experience and judgment to make the final call. It was a beautiful partnership, man versus machine working together to conquer the morning commute.
Section 4. Smart trains, smarter tracks. So, how did we go from subway chaos to AI-powered efficiency? First up, we gave the trains a serious tech upgrade. We're talking sensors everywhere, people. These sensors collected data on everything from track conditions to train performance, sending it back to a central AI hub. Think of it like giving the subway a nervous system, allowing it to feel and respond to even the smallest changes. Next, we unleashed the algorithms on the tracks. Using machine learning, the AI analyzed years of historical data, identifying patterns, and predicting potential problems before they even happened. This allowed us to address issues proactively, fixing them before they could cause delays. It was like having a crystal ball, but instead of predicting the future, it predicted broken signals and track fires. But AI didn't stop there. It also took on the mammoth task of optimizing train schedules. By analyzing passenger data, the AI could predict peak travel times and adjust train frequency accordingly. It was like having a conductor for the entire system, ensuring that trains were where they needed to be, when they needed to be there. And let me tell you, the commuters noticed the difference. Section 5. The future is now, and it's arriving on time. Fast forward 3 months, and the results were in. Delays were down by a staggering amount, on-time performance was at an all-time high, and commuters were actually happy?
Okay, maybe not happy, but definitely less likely to start a fight on the platform.
It was a testament to the power of AI when applied to real-world problems, but the impact went beyond just shorter commute times.
The AI-powered system was also saving the city money. By optimizing train schedules and reducing delays, we were using energy more efficiently and reducing wear and tear on the trains. It was a win-win for everyone, proving that sometimes the smartest solutions are also the most sustainable.
The success of the NYC subway transformation sent shockwaves around the world. Cities struggling with their own aging infrastructure started looking to AI for solutions. The message was clear: the future of urban transportation is here, and it's powered by artificial intelligence. And you know what? It's about damn time.